The pandemic hit hard in 2020, yet there's still one person who found her way to the top to become one of the hottest stock pickers in Wall Street. Of course, we're talking about the one and only Cathie Wood, the popular CEO and CIO of the world-class investment firm Ark Invest. There's no doubt that Wood has attracted a large following since she set foot in the financial markets world. Her actively managed ETFs were some of the best performing funds in 2020, not to forget her outlook for the growth of companies like Tesla back in 2018. Well, in less than a month, Cathie Wood's Ark Invest will be relocating its headquarters from New York City to St. Petersburg, Florida, as announced by the company on October 6th. Most investors will be left wondering why the sudden twist of events by the money manager. Nonetheless, Wood will not be the first to ditch Wall Street in search of greener pastures. Many others have done it before, and this should not come as a surprise either. But before we dive right in, welcome back to ICE. This is your favorite finance channel where you get to learn about all the ins and outs of investing, e-commerce, and entrepreneurship. You might want to take a minute and hit the subscribe button if it's your first time here. So, Cathie Wood has been making headlines in recent years, and it's all for the right reasons. In the weirdest year of our lives, the rise of Cathie Wood is hardly the weirdest thing to happen. But still, she's the first star in an industry, the $6 trillion world of exchange-traded funds, that wasn't supposed to have any. She's a throwback. To be precise, she's a money manager who's actually famous among regular investors like Peter Lynch or Warren Buffett. And not only is she the first woman to play that role, but she's also taken a throne in the pantheon of meme stock demigods, up there with the likes of Elon Musk and Shiba Inu. First of all, here are a few key takeaways about Wood and her firm before we find out why they've chosen to switch working environments. Wall Street superstar. Cathie Wood is a star stock picker and founder of Ark Invest that holds approximately $60 billion in assets. The firm invests in innovations like self-driving cars and genomics. After stints at other investment firms, Wood created Ark in 2014, hoping to package active stock portfolios in an ETF format. Ark Investment Management went from an unprofitable niche operator to a runaway success in just a few years. Did you know that Wood's flagship Ark Innovation ETF surged nearly 150% in 2020, then as much as 26% more in the new year? Well, this indeed turned her into a Wall Street superstar. Droves of investors, many of them young novices, bet on Wood, pouring almost $21 billion into Ark in 2020. In general, the Ark Innovation Fund, which boasts $23 billion in assets, has returned an average of nearly 45% annually over the past 5 years. Of course, you might be asking where on earth the renowned businesswoman and economist went to school. Wood studied economics at USC under Art Laffer, who is popularly known as the inventor of the Laffer curve. The Laffer curve theorizes the tie between tax rates and tax revenue. Most importantly, she's known for making bold predictions as a bold woman. Wood received considerable media attention in February 2018 after she stated on CNBC that she believed Tesla's stock could reach a price of $4,000 in 5 years, which would be a 1,100% increase from its price at the time. What's more, she further reiterated the claim in May of 2019 after its price had dropped 29%. Quits Wall Street. So, Ark Invest has announced it will be trading its New York City office this fall for new headquarters in sunny St. Petersburg, Florida. The money manager, which focuses on making investments in disruptive innovations and manages the $19.5 billion Ark Innovation ETF, is the latest to join Wall Street peers in the Sunshine State. The company has revealed that the relocation will be effective on November 1st. Wood does things differently, and she's laser focused on the tech industry. So perhaps it's no surprise that she's leaving Wall Street behind. The company has occupied the 7th floor of 3 East 28th Street. It's not immediately clear how much space the company is vacating, but One Madison Group's lease of the building's entire floor is for 5,575 square feet. Greener pastures. In a recent press release, Wood expressed her excitement at relocating their corporate headquarters to St. Petersburg, Florida. She believes that the Tampa Bay region's talent, innovative spirit, and quality of life will accelerate her firm's growth initiatives. Ark said it believes the relocation will also advance its business as it scales and continues to redefine the asset management industry. Moreover, the move is keen to increase collaboration between and among the communities focused on innovation. Wood has also added that Ark is not a traditional Wall Street asset management firm. That's why they're looking forward to breaking the mold further by relocating to St. Petersburg, a city investing in technology, science, and innovation. What's more, Ark's strategy chief, Jenna Haynes, explained that the decision to relocate was inspired by the area's vibrant and diverse talent base and the success of public and private partnerships focused on innovation. The company's new headquarters will not be its only real estate investment in Florida. Ark also announced plans to build an incubator in collaboration with the local government. This will solely aim to retain and attract top talent by supporting entrepreneurs and tech startups in St. Petersburg and the Tampa Bay region. The 45,000 square foot incubator will be named the Ark Innovation Center and is slated to break ground in the first quarter of next year and open fully in July 2023. The company said it believes the incubator will help create more than 1,200 jobs by 2026. Ark also said its new office, located in the heart of downtown St. Petersburg, will enable the firm to expand and its employees to enjoy a better work-life balance. According to the firm, a substantial number of employees have already chosen to relocate and work in the office, while the rest will work remotely from around the world. Lower taxes. Many Wall Street firms have opened offices in Florida or considered doing so since the start of the pandemic last year, including the likes of Ken Griffin's Citadel Advisors and Steve Schwartzman's Blackstone. Hedge fund manager Paul Singer even moved the headquarters of his Elliott Investment Management from Midtown Manhattan to West Palm Beach. As more employees are working from home, companies are reconsidering their options given the pricey real estate and high taxes in some of the traditional financial hubs like New York City and San Francisco. The low taxes and warm weather in sunny Florida have been appealing to financial executives for years. Many have homes in the state, and some have established satellite offices there as well. Still, most companies have been hesitant to move their head offices south, worrying that they'd lose the connection and talents in bigger cities like New York. As of September, investment firms headquartered in the Sunshine State accounted for just 1.4% of the industry's total assets under management, according to data from the Securities and Exchange Commission. On the other hand, firms in New York made up 22%, followed by California, Massachusetts, and Pennsylvania. Local leaders in Florida have been trying to attract the financial industry for years. And J.P. Dubuque, who is the president and CEO of the St. Petersburg Area Economic Development Corporation, was quick to express his joy over the decision by Ark Invest to join and invest in the St. Pete community. In addition, Jamal Soul, Florida's Secretary of Commerce, was also in high spirits after receiving news of Ark Invest's relocation. He revealed that Wood's firm investment in the St. Petersburg area will have profound economic impacts in the years to come and will continue to set Florida apart as one of the top innovation destinations in the country. While this year hasn't been nearly as kind to Wood as last year, we can only wait and see how this relocation to the Sunshine State will impact Ark Invest's results in the financial market. The innovation ETF is down 3.5%. heading into the fourth quarter, despite a red-hot market for tech with the Nasdaq up more than 14% so far in 2021. Okay, that's all for today. What do you think about the decision by Cathie Wood's Ark Invest to relocate to Florida? Will this have any profound economic effects as many have already claimed? We'd love to get your thoughts on this, so feel free to leave your comments below and add what you think we might have left out in this video. Once again, before you go, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed today's video. We've got so much more lined up for you, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.